It's Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance, and here we are at this exterior rendered second level home in Preston. And we've been asked to paint the exterior of the property because it's been around 15 years since the render was first installed, when the building was being constructed, and it's just weathered quite a bit and needs to have some of the cracks repaired so that the home remains watertight and so that the weather doesn't penetrate into the cavity of the wall and cause problems. Now, we are fully licensed to carry out work on boom lifts so that we can access really difficult to reach parts of people's homes, and we are also licensed to arrange and carry out traffic management if we'll be operating in an area where pedestrian and car traffic is common. We will liaise with the council to make sure that we get all the necessary permits and approvals to work on the roads, and we will also liaise with your neighbours to let them know when we'll be working in the area so that we don't cause any inconvenience. This job took around 4 days to complete, and as you can see, the after results are quite good. The exterior is now sharp white. The white is going to reflect the sun and decrease the amount of heat that the property captures, and as a result that should decrease cooling costs on the inside of the house, especially on a second level in summer. And we are fully insured, and we've been doing this work for a number of years in the northern suburbs and in other metropolitan areas of Melbourne, and we would really appreciate the opportunity to come out and give you a quote to get your place looking sharp, clean and weatherproof, and make it look good and last for another 10 or 15 years. Please call Bill on 0403 162 374 if you have a job that you would like quoted. I'd be more than happy to come out and visit.